Okay, hi, my name is Rylen, David Rachel Bello, of course. And here we have some monster trucks. This one is called Dragon. You can't really see, but look at it. It's so cool. And I have another one. Let me find it. Oh, that's off. Well, I can't find. Okay, forget about those stuff. Today I'll be teaching you what monster trucks are all about. I don't know about anything about monster trucks, but I do know some things. So, monster trucks have big engines, really big engines on the bottom. Well, that's not what they usually look like, but I'm sure it's like kind of cool like that. And this is Gravedigger, and we have the Skull Pirate one. This one's like almost my turn. And we have Spider-Man, and we have Donkey Kong. I know, right? Donkey Kong. And we have Spider-Man. And I need to find the other one that I want. I'll find them. Wait. Okay. Now, they have big wheels, and I'll tell you why they are called monster trucks. Because they look like a monster in their trucks. Because their wheels are big, and like, hello, monsters are big, so like, hello. Okay, yeah, and we have this one. I still don't know what this monster truck is. One of these. But anyway, now, just so you know, I'm signing out. Bye-bye, everybody. And we will talk about something different next time. Bye-bye.